Hello everyone, today I'll let you know about one site. Name is MicroWorkers.com, and from this site you can easily earn $5 to $10 per day easily, very easily. So you have to do just micro jobs, very little jobs, which takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete per job. Okay, so I'll put link on the description. You can visit this website by clicking this link, or you can just type microworkers.com on your mobile phone or laptop, and you can register on this website. It's free of cost, and of course you can earn $5 to $10 per day. Okay, so let me tell you, you can see there is 352 jobs available. Okay, so if you click on most paying jobs, then you can see for per job they are paying like $5, $2, $2.50, $1, $1.50. Okay, and they also pay like 40 cents, 30 cents, 20 cents for per job, which takes only 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, and if you complete this type of job, which they will pay $5, it will take like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to show you easy way. Okay, so easy way to earn $5 to $10 per day. Okay, so you can see there is lots of section of jobs, qualification, testing, mobile application, survey, lots of section. Okay, so I'll tell you which section is very easy. Number 1, sign up. Number 2, Google. Number 3, YouTube. Number 4, Facebook. Number 5, Twitter. Those 5 sections are really simple and easy. Okay, so if you want to finish job within 3 minutes, 4 minutes, within 2 minutes, you can choose those 5 sections. Okay, and from those 5 sections, if you do your job sincerely, you can easily earn $5 to $10 per day only from those 5 sections. Okay, and if you try to complete other jobs from other section, then easily you can earn more. Okay, but those jobs are takes normally 20 minutes to 25 minutes to complete per job. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you about those section. I will suggest to do jobs on sign up, Google, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter section. Okay, those are the 5 section which is really easy. Let me tell you, if I Facebook, Twitter and Google, those 3 sections are really same, really simple and same. Okay, so if I show you Twitter section, you can easily understand Facebook and Google section. Okay, so I clicked on Twitter section, and you can see lots of jobs on Twitter section. 60 cents, 45 cents, 45 cents, 42 cents for the per job. Okay, and if you click on this job, you can see, always check on this section. Okay, on this section they will let you know about like on which country from which country they are accepting this job. Okay, and as you can see, I am from United Kingdom, so you can see that they are accepting this job only from United Kingdom. Okay, so this job there is a section where they will tell you what you need to do. Okay, so they're saying you must have 50 plus Twitter follower to do this task. Paste this tweet into your account. Okay, this tweet, copy this and paste this link on your Twitter account. That's it, and post it. That's all. That's all you have to do. And they're saying submit, and they will ask for proof. So here's the requirement of proof. Proof requirement is a screenshot of your tweet. You have to take a screenshot of your tweet and send it to them, and you have to copy URL, your Twitter profile URL. Okay, and you have to tell how many Twitter followers you have on your Twitter account. That's all. Those 3 proof, you need to send them. I'm gonna tell you how to send them. If you like click on this accept this job section. After completing this, you should click accept this job section, and you can see one box came here, and you can put like number 1, then number 2, then number 3, then you can write your proof, okay, or copy it from there and paste it. And how you gonna send screenshot? You can see choose file there. You just have to choose file from your computer and send it, and then confirm there. I confirm that I have completed this task. Just click on this section. That's all. It's very, very simple. Okay. So same Twitter, Facebook, and Google section are same. And if I show you sign up section is basically you have to click there and sign up. So you have to put your email address. Sometimes only email address, sometimes email address or name. That's all. And they will give you like 51 cent, 50 cent, 50 cent, 40 cent, like this. And if I show you quickly YouTube section as well. So on the YouTube section you have to comment it, search it, watch and like. That's all. If you search this section, if you search on YouTube, then watch it, then like it. If you they will give you 12 cent. Just click on this. And make sure you check this section, because they will let you know about from which country they are accepting this job. Okay, here's the requirement. What you have to do, search YouTube for this without codes. Okay, then filter video data uploaded. Okay, then watch full video. Okay, that's it. Then requirement. What's the requirement? Somewhere during the video, watermark photography also. Just read this section and accept. Then first complete this job. Okay, read this and this those two sections. Then complete this job. Then came and click on accept this job. Then one section will came there, and whatever proof they asked, just write it down there, or copy it, or choose file from your computer, then send it. That's all. So if you do this kind of job from sign up section, Google section, YouTube section, Facebook and Twitter section, you will from those 5 sections you will easily earn $5 to $10 per day, easily, very, very easily. Okay, and if you like do jobs from other section as well, you can earn more money. Okay, but those jobs takes time. Okay, like some jobs takes 5 minutes, some 10 minutes. Okay, but from only those 5 sections, and another section leads. Okay, leads, those sections are really, really easy. And comment on blog, this section is really easy as well. Leads, this one is easy, and you can try others as well. Okay guys, so that's it for today. That's it for this video. Okay, so remember this site name microworkers.com. Okay, you can easily earn $5 to $10. Okay, this site is only for freelancer who are new came to this field. Okay, so who are new freelancer, for and for students as well. Those who want make some pocket money, for them this site is really good. And don't worry about payments. They will withdraw. I'll show you. One second. Withdraw. See my withdraw. I withdraw $17 once and $14 once. Those are 2014. I withdrew for $14 and 2006. Those are like for 2-3 years ago. I used to work 2-3 years ago on this website. Okay, I don't work much because I work on others platform. So I don't work on this website, but I just show you that you know, they pay really. They will not mess up with you. Okay, they will pay, you know, and PayPal, through PayPal, and anything from PayPal. If any support, if any website or any you know, MicroWorker site support PayPal, that means this site is good. You know, they will not messed up. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.